Hi family, hi guys, Tanya here. Just want to share with you some easy ways you can collect water from things you already have in your home. We're expecting a severe snow emergency, ice storms. We can get ice, we can lose power. So these are things you can have already filled up, stored somewhere. Like, first of all, if you get 2-liter sodas, after you get done, go on and fill a few of them up. I do 12. I like to keep 12 of these filled up at all times. And in about 6 months, if you see you don't use them, go on and put your fertilizer in them. You can use them in the garden and your flowers outside, but this water won't go to waste. But this is for drinking water. So I just get it straight from my tap. Fill it up. Okay, if you have a secondary refrigerator, keep some in there and keep some in a storage area and you're fine. And this is in addition to like the bottled waters that you get. Even those when you get your little 16.9 ounce bottled waters, you can throw some away, but fill some of those up. I keep about a dozen of those filled up, ready to go at all times. So if the pipes burst or something like that, you will have water. Same thing with this. I'll drink out of these water jugs, this purified water jug. After I drink that water, I'll refill it with the water that we have. Keep about 6 or 7 of these ready at all times. Okay, now here are just some canisters I got from Dollar Tree. And they have a nice lid on them. You can fill these up with water, keep them. And it's better to have it ready than to not have it. And if you see that you're not using it, give it a few months. Pour it, use it for your plants. Like I said, all of these things, they won't go to waste. You use it, fill it up again. Have a stash of water somewhere. And here, this is my little ninja thing. I keep this in where I make my smoothies. Or if I know we're going to have a snowstorm or something like that, if there's risk of us, losing power or whatever, at least this is one of my favorite cups, so I have it filled, ready to go. And also one of these canisters here, when you have your summer picnics and parties, go on and fill this up. And you can just easily, dispense water straight from here. You don't have to wait until you have a 4th of July to pull this out. Pull this out in case of an emergency. Now these are vases that I got from Dollar Tree. And I haven't used them yet. No flowers have ever been in here. I haven't used, so I just washed them out, filled them full of water. Hopefully, we won't have to use them. Now, my favorite container is collect, like over the years, collect your wine bottles. And, it took me a couple of years because I don't drink like I used to. But around the holidays, you might have some wine over, if you have guests over. And so keep them, because like this might be your ration. You might get to a point where you have to ration it. So this is your ration for the day. This is how much? I don't see the size, but you can just easily, drink from here. This is all you get, this is all you get all day long. And the bottles are nice, so the water tastes better. So this is my favorite. Keep as many, let me see, how many do I have? I have 7 wine bottles. And so this is what I reach for more than anything. I gotta fill these up. better to have some water than no water at all. So these are things we already have around the house. You don't have to buy anything new. Go to your tap water. If you have filters on your tap water, that's even better. All right, so that's my tip for saving water during a medical or any type of emergency. This is all a part of pantry preparedness. Your water. You need water. Fill this one up. I have to do the other one. Got one more to do. And we're good. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for tuning in today. Just want to inspire you to, just take some time out before you know that there's an emergency coming up, that you have your water game on lock. And so all we can do is, we have a lot of control. We can't control the weather, but we can control how we ride out, how we respond to the situation, okay? All right, thank you so much. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the Tastemakers tribe and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. See you in my next video. Appreciate your support. Bye. Bye, Mom. Mom, you got your water?